Good morning. Today we're in for a real adventure. I'm on my way from Marco Island to Isle of Capri for a special experience with the Rookery Bay Essence of the Estuary Nature Cruise. It's a beautiful sunny day and I can't wait to take you along on this journey through Florida's natural beauty. Arrived at the Rookery Bay Nature Center and I'm already loving the atmosphere and the vibes here. This place is all about protecting Florida's coastal waters and it's a perfect starting point for our tour. We're meeting our guide Winston, who's a scientist here at the reserve. Winston has so much knowledge to share and he's passionate about helping visitors connect with this incredible ecosystem. When you come on this tour, I highly recommend that you ask for him. As we set out into the estuary, I'm struck by how calm and serene everything feels. This isn't just a boat ride, it's a full-on educational experience with our guide pointing out different aspects of the estuary's ecosystem. He's got such a way of bringing it all to life, from the mangroves surrounding us to the various species that call this area home. It's a real treat for nature lovers. At this, we've just spotted some dolphins playing nearby. It's amazing to see these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat, and as we're taking it all in, we also spot some eagles nesting nearby. Moments like this remind me just how precious these ecosystems are and how lucky we are to be able to witness them up close. If you're ever in the Southwest Florida area, I highly recommend this tour. It is truly magical. Here we are at Keewaydin Island. This place feels untouched with sandy shores and clear water stretching as far as the eye can see. Our tour guide shares insights about the island's unique plant and wildlife, and it's inspiring to see how much care goes into preserving this pristine environment. This experience has given me a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty of Florida's coastline. After that wonderful experience, I'm back on Marco Island and ready for some lunch. I'm headed to Libby Fish in the shops of Old Marco, a spot known for the freshest seafood around. And let me tell you, this fish taco that I ordered is incredible. It's huge, it's fresh, and it is packed with flavor. This was really the perfect way to end an amazing day of exploring. I really hope you enjoyed coming along on this adventure with me. The Rookery Bay Estuary Tour was an experience I'll never forget, and I hope it inspires you to visit this beautiful area too. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more Florida adventures, but until next time, my lovelies, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in my next video.